plan for today is to do some bottom fishing and see what we can catch. If it's big enough, then we'll cook it up. Last time I made some wrasse wraps and I managed to burn it a bit, so today I'll redeem myself. I'm going to use a nice simple tactic of bait and weight. The bait will be some prawns. I usually get them from the frozen section in Asda, and all I do is cast it out, let it sink to the bottom, tighten the line, and then wait for something to bite. Bait and wait. Thankfully, it wasn't long until I started getting bites.
Oh, there you go. Yes, got him. Got him. Oh. Yep, there you go.
See that? Okay, let's get some more line. Place this one down like this. Grab this.
Oh my goodness. Still rub against the rocks. Stay still. Don't get tangled. Tangled. Oh, there you go. The tail. There you go, first fish, dogfish. Bleeding a lot. Actually, not too bad. Okay, let's throw it back in the water. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
So you can probably see that swimming around and it's going down. Nice, lovely, it's gone. Or she, I don't know.
Oh. Alright, I think I've got it now. Come on.
What is it? I think it's another dogfish. There you go, should we just see that? Dogfish. Okay. Here we go. There you go.
Mate. And the dogfish.
Here we go. Something. Right, let's throw you back. Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh my goodness! Yes, let's go. Got one. Yes, come on. Come up, come up, come up. Oh my goodness, that was a long wait. That wait was so long. This feels like a dogfish. It's fighting like a dogfish. So, oh, got him. Yes. Oh, goodness. Okay, it's fine, it's okay. Oh, mate.
Since I was mainly catching dogfish, I thought I'd cook this one up. I've eaten it before, and I know they taste great, so dogfish wraps it is. Although it was mainly catching dogfish, overall it was a fantastic day. I didn't blank, I didn't burn the fish, the wraps were great. Honestly, it was really fun. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I think I've just got dogfish pee all over my arms, which is not very nice. Oh man. Ugh. Oh, I'm so sorry, man.